Affiliate marketing for an absolute beginner. It's good for stay-home moms and mompreneurs. Are you looking for an online business model that can bring you passive income? Well, you are in luck because today I'm going to show you how to get started with affiliate marketing. Remember, I talked about starting your online business. Okay. And I explained that one of them is affiliate marketing. So today I'm going to dive deeper into that and give you the practicality. Hi. My name is Samu Gumbie. Welcome back to my channel where Mompreneur meets creativity. Whether you're a first-time viewer or a loyal subscriber, I want you to know that your support means everything to me. Here on my channel, we dive deeper into everything related to business, to motherhood, and your personal brand. So, hey, sit back, relax. I'm going to go to my laptop and I'll explain a bit and also show you some of the websites where you can get started. It depends on the product that you would like to promote. So let's do that right now. Okay, let me share my screen. So there you have it. I hope you can see my screen. Can you? I'm sure you can. All right, so affiliate marketing for an absolute beginner. And I'm going to get right into it. Affiliate marketing is simply the process of earning a commission from promoting someone else's product or service. Okay, that's just an easy way to put it. You're not starting a business, you're just promoting someone else's product or a service. I'm sure you've seen this and you're like, what is going on? Network, SEO, email marketing. What is going on? But hey, don't worry. I'm going to simplify it for you. All right. So there, you first find a company. That's what you can do. You first find a company with an affiliate program. They find a company with an affiliate program, right? And then you register for free. It's free. Okay. And then you get your unique link and that's what you promote. So you join, you promote, and you earn. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. Okay, my lady. So there are different types of commissions. The first one is a fixed amount, which means that you earn a set amount for each sale that you make. Maybe they say it's $50 for each sale. So that's every time you just get that amount. And then the second one, it's a percentage commission, which means you earn a percentage of each sale that you make. This is often the better option because you can earn more money if the customer buys additional products or service. You can always check which one it is. There's also the option of earning a recurring commission, which means you earn a percentage of the sale every month that the customer continues to use the product or service. Like the email softwares or, buying a product every month, then you're getting that commission. So there are the different types of commissions that you get. You just need to check which one is better for you. Okay. Awesome. So how do you promote this? You promote this on your social media. You can write a blog about the different types. Like, let's say you're a mompreneur like me and I want to be promoting maybe milk, things to do with babies. I can go to those companies, get the links. And when I write my blogs, I say, you can go and buy this here. And then a mommy clicks there, they go and buy it there and I'll get a sale. Or you can have your website and you can put your links there. On social media, you have to be careful. Let's talk about this. Then I'll help you how you promote your links on social media because you can be flagged. Awesome. Thank you so much. So right now, what I want to do is I want to go to the companies and I will show you some of the companies where you can register. Let's start with TravelStart. TravelStart is saying become an affiliate, make more money from your traffic. So you can go to TravelStart if you are the one who loves traveling like I do. you can go to this website and check it there and read all this. How does it work? How do you get paid? How can I earn? Like they say, their number of bookings from 0 to 49 paid bookings, you get 90 rand per booking. Mommy, you're at home, you're sitting there. Come on. If it's an international commission, you get 125. For 50 to 100 paid bookings, you get 100 rand per booking. Remember, it's per booking. So if you get 40 bookings and 90 times 40, you can do the maths, mommy. And if it's more than 101 bookings, it's 110 per booking, or 175 for the international, 150 for this 100, and then 150. And you can read all these things. How do I get started? Where do I go? How do I get traffic? You can read about all this. That's the travel stats, okay? For those who love traveling, okay? And then some of us who use StreamYard, you always like coming in and looking for a software where you can go live on your social media. Come to StreamYard. Can you see? You invite your friends and viewers to StreamYard. They get $10 in credit. Once they spend $25 with us, you get $25 in credit. So if I invite somebody and they spend $25 with StreamYard, StreamYard will give me $25. Can you imagine? Like, hello, And it says the fastest ways to get referrals, to get as many referrals as possible. Invite your viewers by adding your referral link to your broadcast descriptions. And that's what I've done. So I'll leave my link for StreamYard. Please go and check it out. There are people that have signed up through my link. I've got 2, and the people that have clicked are 12. So once those people can, pay for paid one, I'm due to get $50 for referring. Isn't that good money? I know, right? Then you've got for a kid. I'm talking about the South African ones. I'm going to talk about the other ones that are international, but I am in South Africa. So for now, I'm just focusing on this. But when you go to Google, you can always type which companies, like, okay, let me go there. You can say companies with affiliate marketing. It depends which country you're in, and it will show you the companies that have got affiliate marketing, affiliate programs, and you can go through that. So I was talking about for a kid. So you join. It's free. It's free and easy to join. No sign up. Earning some extra money with the popular trusted brand for a kid by sharing our products with your online followers is easy. Anyone can do it. And then you can advertise and get up to 20% in commissions on successful referrals. Can you see that? And commissions from all qualifying purchases, not just the products you advertise. Plus, our competition conversion rates help you maximize your earnings. So it means that maybe if you're referring for someone to buy a stroller, and they buy that and they buy other things, you can get 20% commissions for that person. Ching, ching. So you can check it out. And for a kid, if you open the website, it's everything to do with the babies. It's everything to do with the babies. So you can refer for a mom, baby accessories, bedroom decor, baby clothing. Come on, moms, let's do this. We can do this, right? We can do this. We can do this. Okay, awesome, awesome. That's for a kid. And we've got the faithful to nature. I know some of us are, health freaks, and we want to always be looking good, trim and healthy. So here's a website, faithfultonature.co.za. So you scroll down and you go there and look at loyalty program. And when I click on loyalty program, it's going to show me the loyalty program and what are faithful points and how does your loyalty program work. So there you can read this and you can get started. And then it says you can earn faithful points by referring your friends to Faithful to Nature. To do this, you must have an account with us. If you do not have one, you can register. You will then be able to send your friends invitations via email and earn points on their first purchases. Wow, it says you earn 50 points, that's 50 rand to spend on the site For every friend you invite who spends 400 Rand or more, if you already have an account with Faithful to Nature, you can access your unique referral code link here. So someone has to buy more than 400 Rands for you to earn the 50 Rand. You know what? When you go to the site, you can easily buy things for more than 400 Rand. I love that. I love that. Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. Let me stop sharing and look for another one that is international. I just want to show you two. All right. Okay, okay, okay. Let me share my screen again. And here we go. So you've heard about it. ClickBank. ClickBank, high quality products, high commissions, reliable payments. Welcome to the world's leading affiliate marketplace. Over 100,000 affiliates worldwide choose ClickBank as their preferred marketplace. And for good reason, we've paid over 5.8 billion in commissions on time for more than 25 years. So this is a trusted site, more than 25 years. Sign up for a free ClickBank account to access quality products, reliable tracking, and high commissions. You can start here. So do your homework, mommy. Look at this. Mama 4 earns 5 million plus affiliate commissions. Come on, come on. In just 18 months, this lady is a super affiliate. You can also do it. All right. And we've got also Amazon. You can go to Amazon affiliate marketing program. You can sign up, recommend, and earn. How about that? How about that? I am loving this affiliate marketing. It is so good, right? It is very, very, very good. One of the reasons I love about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create your own product. There is no way you will create your own product when there are all these programs that are out there. So you don't have to create your own product or start a business, but you can simply promote someone else's product and earn a commission. It's a great way to make passive income, especially if you're a stay-at-home mom or a mompreneur with limited time. I know, hey, because you're always busy. So there's no time. Awesome, awesome, awesome. There you have it. As a beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. Now it's your turn to get started. Find a company with an affiliate program that you're interested in, register on their website, and start promoting their products or services. Who knows? You may just find your new favorite way to make money online. Awesome, awesome. This is Samu Gumbie, the Mompreneur. Don't forget, subscribe and hit that bell so that every time I create videos like this, you are there to watch them and get value. Let me know what you've implemented, which ones you started with. Hey, it'll be so good to know and hear from you. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for the love. This is Samu. Smiling is my trademark. Bye for now.